So everybody registered for the access code, and some might have gone through the process that has been given in email, and already got the monthly subscription. If not, we are there to help you for this today. Uh, Before starting, I hope you all know what is GDSC is. GDSC stands for Google Developer Student Club. Here we started the club at nearly 2 to 3 months back at SIT. We have a good core team of 11 members, and this is our second campaign. The first one was regarding Jetpack Compose for Android development, and this time we are handling Google Cloud. A bit about myself: I am Maruthi, currently pursuing my BE in AI and fifth semester. Uh, I'm the present Google developer GDSC lead for SIT chapter and also the cloud Google Cloud facilitator for this program. So let me. I will be hosting the session today. I would also like to thank the audience who are joining with us virtually. So let's start the session. So this is going to be our agenda for this a 60-minute or a 45-minute stretch event. The agenda is going to be getting started with GCP. GCP stands for Google Cloud Platform, and how to redeem credits. You might have received a mail, so we are going to help you with that. So what is the syllabus of the learning pathway, and also we are going to try to complete the demo lab, uh, which explains the quick tour of GCP. Again, GCP stands for Google Cloud Platform. So why you all learned, why you all joined the GCCP program? Any guesses? Are you aware of the program earlier? Do you know any keen details about this program? Any answer from the audience? Cool, no problem. So GCCP is the program which was started from with the help of GDSC India, where GDSC India is going to help the chapters across the nation. The GDSC chapters across the nation. There are 550 chapters. Uh, Students will be allowed to enroll for the learning pathway, which is known as Google Cloud Engineer, which will be the uh, course which is going to help you earn something called as Associate Cloud Engineer Certificate, in short ACE. That is the entry level certificate that you can earn in Google Cloud Platform, which will be you will, after earning that certificate, you will be eligible to get any entry level cloud jobs. So speaking about that, uh, GDSC India, in collaboration with Google Cloud, designed this amazing learning pathway called as Cloud Engineer Learning Pathway, where you will be introduced to so many concepts like what actually cloud is, and uh, what are all the features that cloud is going to offer, the services that are available in GCP. So we'll be going through that. You will be learning a bit about data science, data science services that are available in GCP. We'll be learning about the Kubernetes part. Like, you will explore bits and bits of all sectors and all services that are available in GCP. This is an overview of the program. The program started at November 14. You might have already got numerous messages, emails regarding the program, and the program runs for a tenure of 30 days. So the program is going to end at December 14th. Within the span of 30 days, you are supposed to complete the learning pathway uh, along with the sessions. So you will be going through the pathways where you will be learning the theoretical knowledges or just so-called features. You might not be knowing, like, I know that Kubernetes are a thing on GCP, but you don't know where to apply it. So there comes a session that are going to be conducted by GDSC Society. We will be conducting session on whatever that you learned. We will make sure that you apply in the sessions, and just going to just give a clear idea about the application part. So that's about that. The program is running to go will be for 30 days, and in those 30 days you are going to learn awesome things. Let's let's skip to the actual part. You might have received a mail from Google Cloud. So people who haven't redeemed their code, can I have a hands up? Who haven't redeemed their code? Okay, no problem. So just open the mail that you have received. In any problems, you can just raise your hand. The core members here will help you out. They will come to at your desk and help you with that thing. If you are facing any issue, just raise your hand. Along with me, you might have got a mail saying that congratulations, you are now enrolled at the Google Cloud Career Practitioner Program. So the steps are clear. In case you need any help, there is also a YouTube video explaining you the step-by-step instruction about how to redeem this credit. So for the sake of this session, I have not experimented this, so I will be doing with you. Uh, let's see what are the problems that we'll be facing. Just clicking on the button, so I'm navigated to enter the code. The code here will be unique for me. You will be getting your code. So, and that code is going to applicable only for your account. Let's copy this code. When facing any issues, no one. Okay. So I'll be pasting the code. After successfully pasting the code, you can see that I just got 9 credits in my account. So what is the further step? There is something called as a tour of Google Cloud hands-on lab session. Uh, this is the introductory lab. Here we get the lab page. Uh, it consists of lab title, the code. There is a brief overview about things that are you're going to learn in the whole lab. Any problems so far? No credits. Make sure that you are logged in with the account which you provided for GCP. Double check that. While visiting the redeem code button or the Cloud Skill Boost platform, so this basic lab is going to tell about the features of GCP and capabilities of Google Cloud Platform. It is going to walk you through a lab. All you need to do is just click on this Start Lab. There will be a 45 minutes of stipulated time where you need to complete that particular lab in that time. And here it asking me to open the Google console. So what I'm going to do is copy this, and I'll be going through in the new private window. You are not supposed to use the credentials of your personal account. These are the credentials. As you can see, there is username, there is password. So these are the credentials that you are going to use. If you are going to use your own credentials, so you will be charged for the credits. Be careful while putting your username and password. Let's copy paste password as well. All set. Still any issues? Can I get your hands that who are all with me in this step? Anyone facing problem regarding the code redemption? No one? Okay, all good. So I'm going to accept the terms and conditions. If you have a lot of time, you can read those. So this will be the lab walkthrough where you will get screenshots along with a brief description about what's going on or what you are supposed to do. So it asks me to click on Start Lab, and So these are the basic questions. Uh, on clicking what button, it is asking me to that the Google environment, temporary environment will be created. I will say that it will be a start lab button. Let's check that. Yes, it says a correct answer. So like this, there are several MCQ type of question that you that is going to access your basic understanding about what you have learned in this lab. After going through all the MCQs, we need to spend at least 6 minutes in this lab. After spending 6 minutes, you will be getting your monthly subscription. Virtual audience, if you're having any queries, you feel free to put that in the comment section. We'll be taking that too. Okay, true. So where you can get those answers just by reading a brief description which has been provided in this section. So we'll be getting all these answers. Make sure you read them and go through the assessment. Okay, so let's see what are all the problems that you will get in the process, and ways to tackle them. See, GCP is a large platform, uh, which most part of it will be used by Google, and there is a handful of workload that GCP platform is going to handle. So there will be errors that you might encounter, because as I said, there are 550 chapters around the nation of GDSC, and there are 100 members. On an average, you can take 80 members have been registered for the program. You do the math, 80 into 550, those many students are going through this program. And if you can just assume those things, for a minute, in a minute there will be 100 or 200 of VMs that are going to be spent in the platform. So in that case, there will be concurrency problem, and also the resolution of the workload. You will be getting some errors. So what if there these are the few ways that you can tackle them. Whenever you are opening a lab, open in an incognito mode. So how it is going to help it? The incognito mode is going to keep it is going to create a new browser instance where it is not related to your previous cookies or the session histories. So by this you can always it will help you to resolve the concurrency problem. This is the step after going through this lab. After completion of all those questions, uh, you will be getting the monthly subscription. So when you get the monthly subscription, you are officially part of Cloud Career practitioner program, and you can access the lab of the learning pathway for that particular time, which is 14th of December. You will not be charged any credits. Just for your information, the credits required for this pathway to complete is somewhere around 211. If you convert that for the cost, it is somewhere around 14k approx, 14k INR. So you are getting benefited by accessing the course or accessing the resources which cost you 14k INR. So what is the syllabus? There are 13 learning activities, as I said, which each will touch a particular domain. Let it be Kubernetes, let it be data science. There are several services which makes life easier. You will get auto ML solutions, and also you will get state of the art DevOps solutions. which includes CI/CD and also spinning up lots of machine within a single click. What will you get from this program? There are several batches which are specific to some particular lab. After completion of each lab, you will be getting these digital badges. So you can always share them. There is something called as developer profile. The badges are going to accommodate in your developer profile, and you are free to share this in your resume. Yes, that's it from the installation or the setup part. Um, we are free to take the queries. Soon after that, we will dig a deeper into what is GCP and why you need to learn it. Any queries as such? Yeah, yeah. Just one more thing about the future events that are going to be conducted by GDSC SIT. Can I have your attention, please, folks? I'm not going to take much of your time. I know it's too late. So you can find our page by just googling out GDSC Siddhaganga Institute of Technology. So this is the community page where you can find all GDSC chapters. So this is our chapter page where you can find the upcoming events, past events, and the ongoing events. That's sorry folks, that has been shared for the virtual audience. Okay. Yes. So by just googling out, you will find our chapter page. So these are all the upcoming events that are going to be listed. As you can see, these are the past events that has been conducted by GDSC SIT regarding Compose Camp. You can always look through if it is a hybrid or virtual event, you will always have the recording. So here we'll get what all happened within a video if that is available, or also if there are some resources that will be attached to as a featured presentation, and you can also find the organizers and speakers details. So that's it for this session. Thanks for joining us. For any upcoming events, also for any upcoming sessions, all you need to do is visit the Siddhaganga Institute of Technology GDSC page. Uh, the sessions will be listed, or the event that are going to happen will be listed. Just click on it and do the RSVP thing. You will be getting a ticket, and that ticket is going to give the access for the events. So for the sake of introductory session, and JDSC is a new thing in this IT, we have made a little bit of lenience. So from next time onwards, the ticketing and also the validation process will be followed strictly. Yeah, you will be allowed for the session if and only if you have a ticket in your mail. I hope you already got a ticket. If you are successfully registered, you can check your mails. And what will be our next session? As you all are done with registration process, and you have the access of monthly pass, and our future session um, will be based on accessing the Google Cloud services within the GCP platform. That will be a hands-on, and most probably it will be virtual. So make sure you join us there, and you are free to ask your queries. uh, that's it. Thanks for coming. So have a great day.